Hello, welcome to the World News Journal. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. The US has surpassed China to become India's top trading partner, showing greater economic ties between the two countries. According to the data of the Commerce Ministry in 2018-2019, the bilateral trade between the US and India stood at USD 87.95 billion. During the period, India's two-way commerce with China aggregated at USD 87.07 billion. Similarly, during April to December 2019 to 2020, the bilateral trade between the US and India stood at USD 68 billion. It stood at USD 64.96 billion with China in the same period. Trade experts believe that the trend will continue in the coming years also, as New Delhi and Washington are engaged in further deepening the economic ties. An expert said that if the countries will finalize a free trade agreement, then the bilateral trade would reach at different levels. FTA with US will be very beneficial for India as the US is the biggest market for domestic goods and services. Federation of Indian Export Organizations Director General Ajay Sahai said. He said that India's exports as well as imports are increasing with the US, while with China both are declining. America is one of the few countries with which India has a trade surplus. On the other hand, India has a huge trade deficit with China. In 2018 to 19, India has a trade surplus of USD 16.85 billion with America, while it has a deficit of USD 53.56 billion with the neighboring country. The data showed that China was India's top trading partner since 2013 to 14 till 2017 to 18. Before China, UAE was the country's largest trading nation. A top American business advocacy group has said that a free trade agreement between India and the US is a key to resolving their trade disputes, as it will cover biggest irritants in ties, including tariffs and mobility of Indian professionals. Professor at Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Rakesh Mohan Joshi, said that India should be a bit cautious while negotiating a trade pact with the US in areas including agriculture and food products, as America is the world's largest producer and exporter of certain commodities like maize and soybean. A trade deal between the US and India would further increase the trade between the two countries, easing tariff restriction and opening up of bigger markets for products. India is a major exporter of steel products and aluminium products with combined exports of USD 22.7 billion last year. Steel exports to the US have continued to decline, and it went down from USD 372 million in 2017 to 18 to USD 247 million last year. This is only 2.5% of our overall USD 9.74 billion steel export to the world. Pawan Gupta, the founder and CEO of online trade platform Connect to India, observed. Commenting on trade with China, Gupta said despite the fall in volume, exports to the Asian neighbor increased 25% last year to USD 16.7 billion, while imports decreased by around 8% to USD 70.3 billion last year. The major reduction in imports from India has been on electrical machinery, equipment and apparatus category, the CEO said. India and the US were negotiating a limited trade pact, which now has a bleak chance to be signed during the two-day visit of US President Donald Trump beginning February 24. India is demanding cut in visa fees, exemption from high duties imposed by the US on certain steel and aluminium products, and greater market access for its products from sectors such as agriculture, automobile components and engineering. On the other hand, the US wants greater market access for its farm and manufacturing products, dairy items, medical devices, and data localization, apart from cut on import duties on some information and communication technology products. The US has also raised concerns over high trade deficit with India. Thanks for watching. For more new updates, please subscribe to the World News Journal.